Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to redact or hide a specific words in a PDF file using Foxit PDF editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF editor. Now select this protect option. Here you will find this mark for reduction option. Click on this down arrow. Now select search and redact. This right side dialog box now open and select here your word which one you want to redact. I should like this shielded word, whole word only. You can select case sensitive. Now select search. I say this all of this word now work. Now select check all. This all of this word list now selected, and here you will find this mark check result for reduction, and finally select apply reduction, and see this all of this word now hide. This is in this way you can redact a specific word or hide from a PDF file, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.